am Karen, and this is my husband Luke, and together we are Make Daily. So on this week's episode, we are going to get in the Christmas spirit, because Christmas is just around the corner.
Is that what I think it is?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's terrible CG snow. Oh, it's so realistic that I bet you think it's Christmas already.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Okay, so we make a lot of replica props, specifically Kylo Ren buckles. They were probably the first big item that I sold to the Kylo Ren community, and I've been making them ever since. So,
Who's been making them?
sorry. I made like 10, and then Karen did all of the rest. Okay, it's no big deal. It's totally fine. Anyway. We're getting into the Christmas spirit. So Karen wanted to do something Christmassy for the channel. And so she had a couple of ideas and we worked together. But we finally settled on sticking with what we know, which is Kylo Ren.
Don't mess up a good thing. I really wanted to do something Christmassy. And we do a lot of Star Wars stuff. Especially Kylo Ren buckles, which I'm forever making. And I really like the design and I wanted to use it in some way in a Christmassy form.
Sithmas.
Yeah. So I just wanted to kind of throw something together. I can't draw. Luke can. He can draw better than me. Anybody that's played Pictionary with me will know I can't draw. It's a story that we will not tell. So, anyways. But I'll let Luke tell you about how he did the design.
Okay, so when Karen came to me, she said, I want to do something Christmas and ornamental related. And maybe we should do Kylo Ren. Because people like Kylo Ren.
He's probably very popular.
Yeah, he's a popular guy. He's a moody boy, but he's very popular. So I took the buckle and I threw it into Photoshop and just played around with some shapes. Of course, the First Order emblem is a hexagon, so I threw that behind there, put a hole in it and kind of went, yeah, this should do. And then I thought it needed to be more Kylo, because the buckle, although it's cool, is not instantaneously Kylo for everybody. So yeah. I wanted to put the little silver ridges, so I took a picture from Google and I threw it in. And now we're going to go through that bit from SolidWorks. I don't want to show you me playing around in Photoshop, because no one needs to see that. I'm terrible. And so here I'm going to go through the process in SolidWorks, and you can see that I'm going to just trace out all of these splines for the ridges. So this took a little bit of doing. It just takes a little bit of time to get them all nice and neat and do them out. And then after that, it was just a case of extruding them out, extruding the buckle. Now we already had the buckle design, so I just worked with that as it was. And then that was pretty much it. So it took me a little bit of time to play it to get like the right scale and how I wanted it to feel, but I was pretty happy with it. And then after that, we threw it into the Formlabs printer and printed it out. So this is an SLA resin. I didn't get any footage of this while it's recording, because recording the Formlabs printer is really difficult. So yeah, that ran, off it went. And then also in our previous videos, if you watched, we made a one-part wall for, a one-part mold wall. And basically that allows you to save on the amount of silicon you need, because you do just exactly what you need. So we've done that here again today, and we ran that through Simplify and just ran it on the regular printer. I'm not going to show any footage of that because, you know,
we've already done that.
We've done that. Yeah. And anyway, so back to the real world. Hello. You don't reveal too soon. Too soon, Karen.
I'm excited.
Hashtag too soon. I'm going to make a graphic that I'm going to like bat off, and I spend far too long on it.
Okay, you do that, dear.
Yeah, hashtag too long. It keeps me very happy.
Yeah. Okay, time for the grand unveiling. Excited about this bit. Right, so... Ta-da! Here we have...
You can do real dada, you know.
Sorry, was my dada not good enough for you?
Go, try.
Ta-da! Ta-da! There's a secret design in this as well that Luke's added. It's hopefully picking it up on the camera. We have Make Daily there.
Brand awareness.
But I'm really happy with how that design came out. So we have the hexagonal shape, because that's obviously the First Order logo. We have the Kylo Ren ridges around the edges, which I'm hoping to cold cast and make those really pop because Kylo Ren's helmet is very iconic. And then we've got the belt buckle in the middle, which is the right way around because Luke gets very triggered when buckles are flipped. Hashtag flip the buckle. So I'm really happy with how that turned out. And also, to finish it off, we thought we'd stick a bit of red ribbon through there and make it all pretty because, you know, red.
Because red ribbon's lit, yo!
How do you do, fellow kids?
What?
I mean, also it's a little bit like Kylo's lightsaber, so and it's Christmas. Christmas is red, and it's going to be black and silver, and like, yeah, red's going to be
red.
cool.
Just keep it Christmassy and like Luke said, lightsaber and everything like that. So
yeah, that's good.
That's the design. Whether it turns out like that, who knows?
Nobody knows.
But that's the plan.
That's the plan.
So that's the plan. And I think we should see how it turns out.
We're going to have it available on our Etsy store if you want to buy one of our finished casts, which are all sexy and pretty. That's the first stage done. So next we're going to move on to moulding and casting. So we're going to actually hyperlapse through that because we've done it in previous videos and we don't need to go over that again. If you want to learn how we do that, you can see some of our previous videos and check it out. What we would like to do though is thank everybody who's joined us so far by liking or subscribing to our videos. It really means a lot to us.
It truly does.
Yeah, and we're going to keep making as much as we can, as often as we can. So if there's anything in particular you'd like to see us do, then please leave a comment below. But yeah, I'm Luke.
And I'm Karen.
And this is Quality Control Cat. And we're Make Daily. You know, jazz hands. Jazz hands!
Cat's totally unimpressed.
Oh dear. Quality Control Cat is very disappointed.
So
Be fun.
Be fun. Okay, not that kind of fun. So, with Christmas just around the corner, I really want... Shut up.
So, guys, we're gonna... Okay, so we've wrapped on the design...
Oh my god, it's not Futurama, it's Samurai Jack. Right, sorry.
Okay, so we've wrapped on the design stage now, and Karen's gonna take... I bit my tongue. Take 6.
Okay.
Just okay. Okay. Okay, so let us just level with you. We've got a new set of studio lights with us, which are just making everything a little bit funnier. Because now we're in the living room by ourselves with studio lights, talking to a camera, and we just cannot get our together.
Hi, I'm Karen, and this is my husband Luke, and together we all make daily.
The end, apparently.
I thought you were going to speak.